11 mustachioed daughters running in a field of fat. The full moon high, the mandrake screams, please come to our sabbat. The changing children shiver round the fire, their mothers dance with strangely painted faces that smile but never laugh. The crow-peg gibbet's victim swings broken in his cage, his hands cut down to make a crown to wear as our homage. Round and round the magic ring, soft figures fastly rush, and wolf-like things and toads with wings whisper wetly, come with us. Fresh plucked eye of a favorite cat, pulped and mixed with the white hen's fatter lapwing, swing and lion's gold.
And belladonna to make your eye
Like a beast! To anoint the body and make it shine.
to drink and make thyself divine.
Choose another's form and make it thine!
And now they gibber blasphemy and fill the fetid air with ancient lies and leprous cries. This night he will be there. A madness has the mouths gaped wide as one they sway and moan, and every brutish face is turned to see our God King's throne.
Worship for Satan. Come on, Joel, step up to it. What a nightmare of your love there. Give us the filthy details.
I don't remember too good, but I think John Wayne was in it.
Oh, aye.
I don't remember too good, but I think John Wayne was in it.
Oh, yeah.
I don't remember too good, but I think John Wayne was in it.
Oh, no.
I don't remember too good.
Sorry is the horrible by the trouble and open I'm not both and there's nothing you can do to destroy me. The possibility of the gift is a little bit of a disease is my noise focus. I'm wreaking havoc and causing a panic, collateral damage is my platform for chaos, goddammit. You're gonna find if you're so funny, nobody can stand in my fucking flow, it's fucking gigantic. to oblivion.
Yo, check it.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Gets the heart bumping and jumping and thumping. I'm not bluffing, there's nothing you can do to disrupt me.
Your waistcoat holds a pocket watch, I's to dot and some T's to cross. You're doing all your very best so you can ensure success. I think success is not so tough. Go the same direction for long enough. And yes, sometimes it might feel slow, but you'll get where you want to go. But first I think you should know we're all mad here, insane from time to play and good conversation. It's not bad here, you'd be surprised to find what turns out to be salvation. Don't be sad, dear, I've missed milestones. It's okay, there's something else there. I'm quite mad, dear, I think you must be too, or you would be elsewhere. You say you fear you're running late for a very important date. How will you be where you want to be by the time you are 43? And sure, I maybe feel behind when it comes to high school reunion time. But I think of all the fun I've had, it's hard to feel less than glad. Then again, I'm completely mad. We're all mad here, insane from time to play and good conversation. Surprised to find what turns out to be salvation. Don't be sad, dear, I've missed milestones. It's okay, there's something else there. I'm quite mad, dear, I think you must be too, or you would be elsewhere. Tick tock, tick tock. It's not bad here, you'll be surprised to find what turns out to be salvation. Don't be sad, dear, I've missed milestones. It's okay, there's something else there. I'm quite mad, dear, elsewhere.
So you just heard Emma Wallace and We're All Mad Here. Before that, Destructo and Hunt of the Dinosaurs. 11 Mustachioed Daughters by the Bonzo Dog Band. Shonen Knife and Burning Farm. And the set started off with In the Circle PDS by Gudri Maria Arnþórsdóttir, I think. So, I'm gonna babble a bit. Thank you all very much for listening. If you weren't listening live and you're listening afterwards, you won't know this, but I hit the wrong button in a chat and completely blew all the shit all to hell, and I'm gonna have to fix this before, especially before Carmen gets a chance to listen, and before anybody else wants to listen to the show in the archives. Thank everybody who is members of any of my groups, especially the group this episode was based on and stemmed from, the Kingdom of Weird. And thanks to all my friends and family everywhere. And thank you to the following for suggesting songs. I didn't use all of your suggestions necessarily, but I tried to use one by everybody who suggested something. And one person in particular suggestion won't come until the very last song of the show, and it's not the song he suggested, but it is by the same artist. So thank you to Alex Canclini, Harold Parker, Jed Nord, Kjartan Sveinson, Andrew Purcell, Shanna Banana, Tesla Nicole, Jez Howarth, Trevon Graves, and Andazan Krim. Whoever the hell that last guy is. And thanks again, all of you, for listening, and thank you especially to the queen of my life, the queen of my heart, the queen of weird, who gets a double dedication today. Of course, the one that I retroactively dedicated to her earlier in the show, and this one that I originally chose as my dedication until I realized that something else would have been much more appropriate. This is by some friends of mine, and the only indie rock song that I played on the show today, and playing on the show today, The Bear. And because I was born in the 70s, and my beloved was not born in the 70s, but was born shortly thereafter, and just the general aura of this song is why I decided to dedicate it to my beloved. Love everybody, love you all for listening, and all my friends, and especially love Carmen. Here we go, the last song of the show. This one's for you, baby. This is the Nigel Purcell Trio, and theme for a 70s kid show.
but tattoo shops form a line down the block. There's nothing else to pass the time. There's other ways to blow your mind.